Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oni DIY Do It Yourself. So today in this video we are going to talk about TDS. So what is TDS? TDS is total dissolved solids in water, what we drink or you are using for the aquarium. So water consists of many minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, sodium, zinc. So some are useful for our body, some are very harmful. So how to test the TDS? So we can test it by using this TDS meter. So this is the TDS meter. So let's have an unboxing of it, and then we will also conduct a water test to see how it performs and what are the results. So this I bought it online and it's not that expensive. You will get it around 20 to 25 dirhams. That's it. So it has built-in batteries, and there is a LCD indicator, and there are 3 buttons, on and off. Then there is temperature, and then there is a hold button. So you can see those readings in ppm, that is for the TDS. So also it has degree Celsius and Fahrenheit for temperature. So it's very simple, easy to use, and these are the 2 electrodes to measure the TDS, and also there is a temperature sensor beside this. And make sure when you dip it inside the water, only the lower part is submerged. You should not exceed above that level, otherwise it may get damage. So just make sure when you are dipping it, be careful. And there is a battery over there, and that's the cap to keep it protective. So let's move on for the next step. So we'll have the water test. So these are the 3 glasses filled with water. So one is purified water, another is tap water, third one is a big question mark. So we need to find which 3 glasses are, out of 3 glasses, which one is suitable for drinking. So let's move on with our TDS meter. So you just dip it, hold for some time till you get the reading, and once you get the reading you can press the hold button. So this reading shows 130 ppm. So the TDS of this first glass is 130 ppm. So now we will check another one. Here goes the second glass. So for few seconds, when it's stable, just press the hold button. Okay, so now we will check the readings. It's 168 ppm. As you can see on the LCD, it's very small, but still I've tried to focus it. It's 168 ppm. Now we will check the third glass. So we'll make sure it's 0, and now it goes into the third glass. Let's see what are the readings. So now you can see the reading is 469. Wait, now there is a new symbol coming, multiply by 10. So it's not 469, it's 4690, because it's showing there multiply by 10. So the third glass has a very high TDS reading. So let's see which glass is safer to drink. So out of 3 we need to find which glass is safer to drink, and also you can use that for temperature reading. So the first is purified water, 130, second is the normal tap water, and third is the salt water, which has the maximum reading. So there is a video which shows that I have put salt in the third glass. That's why the reading was very high. Salt has sodium and different minerals, so that's why the TDS was very high. So this is the chart. So it should be less than 300, which is excellent. So first and second glass we can drink, third glass we cannot drink because it's very high. So if you have impure water, you can use RODI filter to get the TDS low. So that's the today's test for TDS. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment and share. and also subscribe so that you'll get a notification for my newer videos. Thank you very much.